SMTP email. Error 446, 447, 449. How to resolve solved. Warmy blog. SMTP email errors 446, 447, and 449 can halt your email communications, affecting everything from business operations to personal connections. Each code points to specific issues in the email sending process. Error 446 often indicates a delay in your email being sent because the recipient's server is temporarily unavailable or overloaded. This could be due to high traffic or maintenance on the recipient's end. Error 447 suggests that your email couldn't be sent because it was in the queue for too long. This might happen during times of peak traffic or if the server is experiencing issues. Error 449, on the other hand, signals a failure in routing the email correctly, possibly due to incorrect configuration settings or problems with the server's routing table. To resolve these errors, start by checking your internet connection and server settings. Ensure your SMTP server details are correctly configured in your email client. Updating your email client can also resolve compatibility issues that might be causing these errors. Ensure you're using the latest version of your software. If problems persist, consider contacting your email service provider. They can provide insights specific to their servers and help troubleshoot the issue more effectively. For more tailored solutions, consulting with an email deliverability expert at Warmy.io can be beneficial. They offer personalized advice and strategic insights to improve your email system. Warmy.io not only helps in troubleshooting, but also in enhancing your overall email strategy, ensuring your communications are as efficient and effective as possible. As you're wrapping up, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay in the loop with our latest updates.